Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these super cool looking acrylic pouring paintings. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already because we are so close to 1,000 subscribers, and once we reach 1,000 subscribers I'm going to be making a cute mini cake with the number 1,000 at the top. And once we reach 2,000 subscribers, I will be doing a face reveal. So this is actually going to be a very messy project. As you can see, I have a disposable table cover for my workspace. I even have some paper laid out. The canvas that I will be using came from this 2-pack, and I got this from Walmart for $3. I even saw some canvases at the dollar store, which is so amazing. And I'm going to start off by sticking a tack into each corner of the canvas so that my canvas could stand up. And now it's time to bring out all of your acrylic paint. So I bring out all of my acrylic paints, and I'm going to start off by choosing all the colors that I want in my painting. In total, I picked 4 colors, so that means I'm going to need 4 disposable cups. You're going to need a disposable cup for each color of paint that you have, and you're going to need to pour out a small amount of acrylic paint into each cup. For this next step, you're going to need some water, and all that you have to do is get your water and pour a small amount into each cup of acrylic paint and mix it around. All that we are doing in this step is watering down our acrylic paint a little bit so that it could be easy to spread later on. So this should be the consistency of the acrylic paint. As you can see, it's watered down, but it doesn't have too much water in it. Next up, I laid down a disposable plate along with my canvas on top of that, and now I'm going to start pouring my watered down acrylic paints onto the canvas. Have fun with this step. Just randomly pour acrylic paint everywhere and make cool designs. It's so fun. It's also so relaxing. Once you are satisfied with the amount of acrylic paint that you have on your canvas, start to turn your canvas everywhere and make it drip into the plate to make cool designs. Try to tilt your canvas everywhere so that the whole canvas can get covered in acrylic paint, and if you don't have enough paint to do this, you can just add more watered down acrylic paint to your canvas and let the excess watered down acrylic paint drip into the disposable plate that you have placed. So as you can see, the sides of the canvas don't get painted. So to cover and paint the sides of the canvas, I just got a paintbrush and started dabbing it all over the sides of the canvas using some excess paint that was dripped off onto my plate, and that is how I covered the sides of the canvas. Now all you have to do is let your canvas dry overnight, and that is it. This was so easy to make and it looks so cool. It makes great decoration and even could make a great gift. And I love making these so much. They are so satisfying to make. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!